These types of videos gain millions of views. The question is, why? Because these types of videos are mostly watched by kids. Kids watch videos for a long time, and because they watch longer, the average view duration increases. When watch time goes high, the videos start going to millions of views. So, remember this strategy, my friends. First, let's look at some channels. Look at the video list. For example, Netflix Junior has around 24.9 million subscribers and thousands of videos. Oh my God! Look at the popular videos. 1 billion views. Is this real? Yes, it's real, my friends, because people love these types of cute animation and animal videos. Many videos are getting millions of views. 500 plus million, 400 plus million, 300 plus million. Now let's come to ChatGPT. ChatGPT provides you with an all-in-one master prompt. Create a complete set of viral short video prompts in bright cartoon style, featuring one consistent cute baby toddler character. Include funny reactions, emotional moments, talking animals and talking food, learning scenes, ABC, numbers, colors, dancing, playing with toys, and magical fantasy scenes. Each idea should be a 5 to 10 second looping scene with colorful backgrounds, big facial expressions, smooth animation, and high engagement for kids, YouTube, and Shorts. Keep the same character design in every prompt and make the videos feel like modern cartoon kids animation. I have provided this prompt in the description, so don't worry. Now, my friends, let's go directly to the tool. Today, we will use Katalist AI. This is a very powerful AI tool to generate full cinematic videos, like story videos, movies, or scenes. I have also provided the link in the description. Simply go to Katalist AI, click on Try for Free. This is a free tool, my friends. Then log in using any Gmail. I'm already logged in. Now look at the interface. At the top, you see, what story will you tell today? That means what kind of story you want to generate today. Anime style, cartoon, commercial, film, historical, kids, music, storyboard, YouTube Shorts. All kinds of videos can be generated here. You can also create POV videos and Duck Quest Shorts, which are very popular. Below, you see options. Generate from idea, from script, or create a blank project. In simple words, Katalist AI is a very popular AI tool to generate long story videos. Today, we will create a POV video. Now click on Generate. Here you see two options: Upload Script or Generate Script. In Upload Script, you can upload any file like Word, CSV, PDF, or TXT. In Generate Script, you simply give an idea, and it generates full video scenes, characters, and visuals. Paste the prompt here. Again, this prompt is in the description. Then select the number of scenes, 5, 10, or 15. I select 10 scenes. Click Generate Script. Now the story generation has started. Please wait. Now you can see generation is complete. It has generated a 10-scene script. You can change the script, edit ideas, or add more scenes. Now click on Generate Scenes. Here you see many different styles: cinematic, sketch, oil painting, animation, cartoon, anime, and more. You can select cinematic or cartoon style, but I recommend cinematic. At the top, also select the ratio, 16:9. Now click Proceed to Cast. Now you will see many different characters generated. These characters will be used in the video. You can edit or change any character if you want. These characters look amazing, my friends. Now click on Create Project. The dashboard opens. Script extraction has started. Katalist AI generates videos very fast. It doesn't take long. Katalist AI is an all-in-one AI video creation and storytelling platform that helps creators turn scripts into visual storyboards and complete videos in minutes. It automatically analyzes your script, generates scenes, characters, and visuals, and keeps characters consistent across the whole video. Now the images have been generated. You can add more frames or edit any image. When all images are ready, it's time to generate the video. Click Generate Video. All images are added to the timeline automatically. On the right side, you see options. Add voice, add music. You can upload your own voice or music from your PC, or generate audio from this AI tool. Add voiceover script, select narrator voice, and click Generate. You can also use auto narration. Now click Generate Video again. You will see different models, Veo, Kling, and others. Select one model and click Generate. Video generation has started. Wait about 2 minutes. Katalist AI is designed for YouTubers, filmmakers, and content creators who want to produce high-quality videos faster without advanced skills. It's especially useful for AI video creators and YouTube automation channels because it can turn simple ideas into cinematic videos with consistent characters and a smooth workflow from idea to final video. Now the video generation is complete. Look at the video. It looks professional and amazing. You can add music or voiceover. Now the video is ready. Click Export Video. Here you see options like Presentation Link, Images, Storyboard, PowerPoint, Premiere Pro, and Final Video. Download the video, and your final video is ready. This is our final result. In just minutes, we generated a full video using Katalist AI. Now go to Katalist, create long videos, upload them on YouTube or TikTok, and go viral. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.